Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play in esports. First, you need to understand the vast world of competitive gaming. Esports encompasses many different game genres, from real-time strategy to first-person shooters. Identifying a game you genuinely enjoy and excel at is your crucial first step. Researching its competitive scene will give you valuable insights into the path ahead. This foundational knowledge is essential for anyone aspiring to join the professional ranks. To truly master your chosen game, consistent and focused practice is non-negotiable. Many aspiring pros dedicate 2 to 4 hours daily to honing their skills. Analyzing your own gameplay through replays is incredibly effective for pinpointing areas needing improvement. Additionally, studying professional players' strategies and mechanics will provide a blueprint for advanced techniques. This disciplined approach is vital for elevating your performance to a competitive level. Esports is often a team endeavor, so finding the right teammates is paramount. Look for individuals whose skills complement yours and who share your competitive ambition. Effective communication, both during matches and in strategic discussions, is a cornerstone of successful teams. Regularly participating in online tournaments and leagues will provide invaluable experience, helping your team develop synergy and adapt to high-pressure situations. This collective effort is key to climbing the competitive ladder. To pursue a professional esports career, consistent high-level performance in major tournaments is crucial for gaining recognition. Networking within the esports community, connecting with other players, coaches, and organizations can open many doors. Building a personal brand through streaming or content creation can also significantly boost your visibility and attract potential sponsors or teams. This multifaceted approach increases your chances of turning your passion into a viable profession.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.